How does this work? So it was a single string. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at a problem today that I saw on a message board, and I think it really drives home how Python works. So alright, let's just go ahead and look at it. And basically it was, how does this work? So it was a single string, and we're just going to use my name. So let's comment this out, bring this into memory. Whoa, got that sitting out there still. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We break down problems. We do one subject video at a time. We do micro videos. So please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So all right, let's see. We know this is slicing, but this is not on a nested list or anything like that. So we get something along these lines for this. But then the question was, how does this work? How does this influence, I think was the comment. So this is what's very interesting about Python. The way that this works is Python doesn't care what this is. It's also the same thing with reassigning. Python doesn't care what's on this side. It just goes to memory, looks at it, and then does whatever the instructions are. So if I add a space here, this is completely legal. Python doesn't care that this is already being used. It goes into memory, looks at it, then does this command. So the way that this works is, so for when you think about this, here's the variable. So we just called it. So this is the information in memory assigned to a location, assigned to X. All right. So then Python goes and looks at it and goes, okay, you want this amount of information. Then this is completely legal. Python goes, okay, I know what that means too. So you want this because this is the same. Let's just look at it. So this is the same as UE, and then I give this command in reverse. Completely legal. That is how this works. And I thought it was a brilliant question, something that was perfect for us to look on because we are building and going deeper. So I have an ID video about the ID built-in function. So if you're not quite sure how this is working, go and look at that and it'll explain it even more. But completely legal. This is the equivalent of this because Python just has a set of instructions, protocols that it follows. So this is how this works. So I thought this was an awesome question and I wanted to bring this forward. And also make sure you're looking at the poll today. Been tinkering around with how things are laying out. Kind of want to know if you like this, how we finished out the calculator, if we did those in series, do a complete series and then move on. Or if you liked it the way we were doing it before, where we were breaking up a topic over and over and over. I think we had it about 10 days and then we'd cycle back over. So working through modules all at one time with a project, or continuing to float through so you can come back and check up on our progress. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.